I need a job that challenges me, and Hutchinson Manufacturing has always been willing to take on new technology, has been able to be a leader for their customer, and I've really always had the luxury to be kind of at the forefront of that, to be introducing the new technology and how are we going to build this, where are we going to, how is this going to work in our facility, and how is this going to work with our people.
Everyone requires a quality product, but what quality means to that company can take on a little different connotation. If we're building for some of our customers, the fact that we've made something, it looks good, it's dimensionally correct, that's quality.
You can go out there and you can find a very small lawnmower part, and you can walk out there and you can find a 20-ton weldment in the same bay sometimes.
Technology is a very important component to producing the quality components that are required by our customers. We need technical expertise, we need machines that can hold the tolerances, as well as the envelope of machines to handle the large scale of product we work on.
We have a 12-foot ferro arm right now that is capable of 1.5 thou in a 12-foot diameter. So what that means is you can grab any point in one location to another point 12 feet away from that location and be accurate to 1.5 thou. That is its worst deviational accuracy.
Quality is a given, and you have to do it on time. And one of the things that we fight with is we make a lot of one-of products. So not only do we have to do it right, we have to do it right once. We get one shot at it, and there's no second tries, so failure is not an option, we just move forward.
When we realized and put together the opportunity for New Crane and to do work for the nuclear industry, Westinghouse worked with us very closely to put quality systems in place that we could survive an audit in order to be on an approved supplier list and then a qualified supplier list, which led us to manufacturing the most critical items of a nuclear power station, and that would be the components related to the safe shutdown of that reactor.
The employees are very proud of the products that ship from this facility. Everyone from a metal fabricator who's using a thermal cutting machine up to the final painter. They record their name, their initials on each process, saying that I have done the best I can to achieve the specifications of this product before it moves on to the next sequence.
If we ship something and we give a documentation package and a certificate of conformance to a customer, we're putting our name on that, and it's got to be right.